I'm out here right now picking apples in a storm, and looks like half my apples fell off the tree already. But I've got buckets and buckets in the house, in the freezer, apple pie, apple sauce, etc. And me and Stu are getting wet. Stu, let's head to the shop. Let's go. Come. It's thunder and lightning out here, and heard some trees snap, and I think one or two may have fell on the hillside. Not positive. I'm trying to get to the shop. I get down the driveway as well, and check out my power lines, because power was flickering earlier. Hope you can hear me. Stu, let's go. Come on. So I think that transformer is okay. Don't know if you can see it or not. There's my car over here in the distance. I ain't started it in about 8-9 years. Sinking in the mud. It's probably won't start. So I just got done checking the power lines down the driveway here. Everything looks to be pretty decent. Some of the trees are hanging low because of the weight of the rain, and so far it's still got power. Right now, me and Stu are halfway down the driveway, and we're gonna run over to the shop and check that out. Hey, Stu, wanna race? Hey, let's go. Come on. Run. 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 Let's go. Here's some of my apples and birds looking for a snack. Some of the young birds right there from the nutcrackers. Very friendly. The rain slowed down. Actually stopped for a while. These birds eat a lot. They really do. And they're friendly enough, they'll eat out of your hands if you're patient enough to wait. Seems like they like the walnuts more. Somebody got all wet. Ready to go in? Come on, you need to dry off. You all dried up? Wet doggy, Stewie. I'm just joking. There you go. Ready to go in the house? Y'all clean? Huh? Okay.